Alright, in this video we're going to show you how you can add employees to your Codere system. So basically we are signed into the operations portal right now. I am signed in under my employee account and I would like to grant access to another employee who should also have access to the operations portal here, and they should be able to manage the Codere system as well. So what I'll do is go down to the operations section here and then choose on employees. And as you can see, I have my employee account right here in the system, and I can access the system. If we look at my roles here, I have the super user role, which is the highest permission you can give an employee account. A super user has full access to the entire system. They can do anything in the system. They can grant access to other employees. They can see system credentials. Basically everything about the system they can see and manage. So you want to be very careful when handing out this permission. Make sure that when you're adding a new employee to the system and you are granting this super user role, that this employee really should have this much level of access. So let's go ahead and add a new employee account. I'm going to go back to the employee screen, and as I mentioned before, I'm the only employee in the system, but I would like to grant access to another employee so he can also log into the operations portal and help maintain it. So what I'll do here is I'll click that add employee icon there, and there will be a little instructions here, but basically what you need to do is you need to enter the valid email address of that employee, and that is what they'll use to log in to the Codere's operations portal. So I'm going to add my user. So I'll enter the username of that user, and then here you can specify the roles that you would like that user to have to start. I know Mike, and I know that he should have full access to the system with unrestricted access. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that super user role. And again, this grants the highest level of permission, so if you assign this, you do not need to assign any other roles. They can just automatically access everything. And then to prompt Mike to sign in, I'm going to choose the account activation email, and it'll be the employee account activation email here. And if you select this, what it's going to do is send an email to Mike and tell him that he has been granted access, and prompt him to follow the link to set his password and sign it. So I'm going to go ahead and add the user, and it will take you to the screen here with the details, and you can fill out more information like first name, last name, etc. And you can also view the roles that he has been assigned, and assign others here or remove roles. Let's walk through what Mike sees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out and then show you the email that Mike will receive. So as Mike, I'm going to go ahead and click this activate account link, and it'll prompt him to enter his email address, which we'll go ahead and do. And then we'll click activate account. And then it'll say that he has received his email and how to set his password. So we're going to go back to our email, and so as you can see, Mike got a new email prompting him to set his password. So we'll go ahead and click that link, and here we'll set the password. And now we can go ahead and log in as Mike using the new password that we just set. And we are signed in as Mike. Please note that I am using kind of a fake email address to show you this. In the real world, I would just use Mike's email address, but I'm using this email address so I get the email so that I can show you guys. But Mike is signed in, he has full super user access so he can access everything in the system, and he's all good to go. Thanks for watching.